Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wrap a Dodge Charger front bumper. First, gather all your essential tools like a heat gun, squeegee, and a sharp utility knife. Ensure your workspace is clean and well lit. Thoroughly clean the bumper surface with an alcohol solution to remove any dirt or wax, which is crucial for proper vinyl adhesion. This preparation step is key for a smooth, lasting finish. For the best results, consider removing the bumper from the vehicle. This provides much better access to all angles and edges. Next, apply an adhesion promoter or primer to any complex curves or edges where the vinyl might struggle to stick. Carefully unroll and position your pre-cut vinyl wrap over the bumper, ensuring it's centered and aligned before you begin the full application. Now, it's time to apply the vinyl. Start from the center and work your way out, using a heat gun to gently stretch and conform the material around the bumper's curves. With your squeegee, firmly push out any air bubbles or wrinkles, always working towards the edges. Once the main surface is covered, carefully trim any excess vinyl using a very sharp utility knife, leaving about 1/4 of an inch for tucking. To achieve a professional look, meticulously tuck all the trimmed edges into seams or around the bumper's backside. After the entire bumper is wrapped, use your heat gun to post-heat the entire surface to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This helps the vinyl set and prevents lifting. Finally, allow the newly wrapped bumper to cure for at least 24 hours before washing or exposing it to extreme conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.